Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to track Typeform leads in Airtable and send personalized email. For that, we are going to connect our Typeform to the Gmail and Airtable, as whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one personalized mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account and also store their data into your Airtable. And that will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So before starting the video of doing an automation where we can connect our Typeform to the Gmail and the Airtable, as whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account and also store their data into your Airtable as a new record. But before that, now I'll give you a quick review about how this automation will work and how this automation will be used in real time. For that, I am going to fill this form that I have already created before into my Typeform. Here I am going to enter all the test details. That is the first name Smart, last name as user, one test contact number and the email address as patm@pabblytudes.com. After that, I am going to click on this OK button. Then you can see it will ask me to select the preferred destination, that I am going to select this. After that, I am going to click on this OK. After that, it will ask me for the date, that I am going to share as 12/15/2025. After that, I am going to click on this submit button. Here you can see my form is submitted successfully. Now I am going to check my Gmail account that I have received one mail or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, I have received one mail 0 minutes ago, which includes all the details regarding the offers and the valid date. Now I am going to show you my Airtable account, that a new record will be added or not. You can see I have received all the details, that is the name I provide as Smart User while filling the form, destination type, date, phone number and the email address. So if you want to do this type of automation, as whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account and also store their data into your Typeform. Then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that helps you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly Community. So this is right over here is Pabbly Community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck anywhere while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are doing an automation, and that will done with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place, where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to write the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. Now as we are creating a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. When you click on it, it will ask you to select the workflow builder while providing you two, that is new beta and the classic version. It is in modern, faster and more flexible, while the another one is for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. Here you can see it will ask me to provide the workflow name, so I am providing the workflow name as track Typeform leads in Airtable and send personalized email. After that, the folder I select as Pabbly Connect and I am going to click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now this right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happen. So for starting the creation of your workflow, at first you have to select your trigger application. When you click on it, here I am choosing my trigger application as Typeform, so I am searching it. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as new entry. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you have any existing connection, then you can click on the select existing connection. Here I am going to create a new connection, so I am clicking on this add new connection button. After that I am going to click on this connect with Typeform button. Here you can see it will ask me to provide the permission, so I am accepting it by clicking on this accept button. See, my Typeform account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, here in this field I am going to select the form that I have already created before by the name of Wondergo Travels. Now I am going to show you this form. So this is the workspace of my Typeform where I am going to click on this form. See, this is the form that I have already created before, where I have mentioned the field that is the first name, last name, phone number, email, and also added some more questions for my users, that is ask about their destination and the travel date. Here I have done this as a test example. You can add multiple questions into your form. After that you have to simply click on this share option. Here you can see it will provide you one URL that you have to copy from here and open this URL in a new tab. Before filling this form, I am going to click on this button, that is save and send test request button. Here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I am going to fill this form. Here I am again entering the test details in it. After that, in this time I am going to select the destination as Europe and also write it the different date. See, my form is submitted successfully. Now we will check our workflow. See, I have received the positive response. That means my Typeform is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Now the setting up of my trigger application is done. After that, I am going to take action application as Gmail. For that, I am clicking on this plus option where I am going to search the app as Gmail. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select send mail. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will again provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Here I have already an existing connection, so I am selecting this select existing connection option. After that, I am simply clicking on the save button. Here you can see my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, you have to write the sender name in the sender name field that I am going to write as Bright Path Travels. After that, you have to select the sender email address in this field that I have already selected before. You can also enable this toggle if you want to do the mapping of the response that you have received from your previous application. This will help you to not enter the data manually. After that, you have to enter the recipient email address in this field. Here I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is the Typeform. Here I am searching the email address. Here I selected. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. After that, the CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank and directly entering the email subject in this field. That is thank you for sharing your details. After that, in this email content field, you have to write the mail content that I am going to write as. Here I write, now I want my username after this hi. For that, I am simply clicking on here. After that, I am searching the response that I have received from my Typeform application. That is my name. The first name is test and the last name is user. After that, you have to select the email content type. As I created this content in the form of HTML, so I am selecting the HTML here. You can also generate your HTML content by clicking on this link below. And here also mentioned a complete tutorial of how to create a HTML content. After that, the labels I select as inbox. Then if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the name of the file in this field and also attach the URL here. After that, you have to simply click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have got the positive response. Now I am going to check my Gmail account that I have received a mail or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, I have received a new mail which includes all the details that I have mentioned into my email content. You can see it will also include my name as a test user. Now we will get back to our workflow. Here the setting up of this application is also done. Now whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account. After that, I want to store their data into my Airtable. For that, I am again clicking on this plus option where I am going to search the app as Airtable. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as create record. After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. Here I'm going to do a new connection. So I'm clicking on this add new connection button. After that, I'm clicking on this connect with Airtable button. You can see it will ask me to provide the permissions. So I am providing them the access. See, my Airtable account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, in this base name, I am going to select the base file that I have already created before into my Airtable account by the name of Typeform leads. As soon as I select the base file, you can see it will automatically extract the field that I have mentioned into my file, that is the name, destination, date, phone number and the email. Now I am going to show you my base that I have already created into my Airtable account. So this is the base that I have created. You can also see the fields here. Now we will get back to our workflow. Here I am going to the mapping of the response that I have received, that is the name as test user. After that, in this destination field, I am going to map the destination, then the date, after that the phone number, then the email address. Here I mapped all the field. After that, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. You can see we have got the positive response. Now I am going to check my base. See, a new row is added into my Airtable base. That means our automation is working correctly. Now we will get back to our flow. The setting up of this application is also done. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle so that your workflow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your automation will not work. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. You can also share this workflow with your friends. For sharing this workflow, you have to click on this three dots and click on this share option. Here you can see it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. With the help of this workflow, whenever any new form submission can be done through your Typeform, then automatically one mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account and also store their data into your Airtable base. And the best part is this automation is done without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.